Hey guys, it's your girl Kimberly. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be putting on some nails, and I'm going to be putting these babies on. These are the LA Colors nails on, and I love the design. They're so cute. So I got these at Dollar Tree, and I got two. So you're going to wear these, and of course I wear my glue, Kiss glue. And I'm going to be using a nail clipper, and I'm going to be using a file. So what I like to do is grab my nail clipper, and I like to start clipping my natural nails. Okay, so I clipped all my natural nails. Now it is time to open these beautiful nails on. So look at these beautiful nails. There we go. Okay, so it has different colors of nails right here. So what I like to do is, it's time to match the perfect nail to your natural nail. So I'm gonna try this one right here, and this one is a number, oh, I almost dropped it. It doesn't have a number, so we're just gonna have to match it up. So let's see. This one matches great. Look at that. That matches fantastically great. Whoops, I almost dropped it again. Okay, so this one fits. Alright, so we got all of them. So now I'm gonna set these aside. Okay, so now we have these are the nails right here, if you guys can see that. Sorry for the angle, but here are the nails right here. So now it's time to glue with this Kiss nail. So I'm gonna open it, and what I like to do is I like to put glue on my nail, just a dot. Focus on that, and grab the nails and stick them together and count to 40 seconds. Okay, so there you go. There is one nail glued right here. Just gotta press it really good so it doesn't stop or anything, or it doesn't pop up or something like that. Alright, so here's my first nail right here. I'm gonna glue the rest of them, so I'm gonna speed this process up. the nails, I did one hand, so this is what it looks like. So after that I'm finished, they have like a little like bump here, so this is where my file goes, and I just ever so slightly just go like that, and until you feel like the thing goes away. But don't do it too hard because you're gonna ruin the nail. So they look natural and they look really cute, like you did it yourself. And there you go. And that is the final touch of the beautiful nails. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Put a big thumbs up in this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I want to hit 200 subscribers in the summer. So push that subscribe button and push that notification bell so you won't miss none of my videos. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.